Today we're covering 7th grade, Chapter 6, Lesson 2, Equations of Linear Relationships. Linear kind of sounds like line. Again, linear equations are equations whose graph is a line. And that's based on our x and our y. So our equation, the x, is the independent variable. And the y is the dependent. So the x is the bossy one, and the y does what it's told. We're going to complete the table by substituting values for x into this equation that they give us. Y equals x minus 3. So if I plug in maybe a 0, then it would be 0 minus 3, which would make negative 3. Then our ordered pair would be 0, negative 3. What if I put in a negative number like negative 1? Then it would be negative 1 minus 3. Gotta remember those rules. Keep, change, opposite. So that would make it negative 4. And our ordered pair would be negative 1, negative 4. And we really just need 3 to see if it's a linear relationship. So I'm just going to use another positive number. I'm going to plug in a 5. So that would be 5 minus 3, which is 2. So the ordered pair would be 5, 2. Now we're going to take those ordered pairs and put them into the graph. So for the first one, the x goes horizontal. So I'm going over 0, and then I'm going to go down to negative 3 and put a dot. For the next one, I'm going over negative 1 to the left and down to negative 4 and put a dot. And then to the right 5, which is all the way to the line, and then up to 2 and put a dot. And if I connect those, it will make a straight line. Let's look at some of the questions that you're going to be doing today. You're going to be given an equation, and if you're doing it online and not the worksheet, then you have like a multiple choice which graph matches the equation. And you're just going to be plugging in some numbers, and here on the worksheet I've suggested 0 and 3 every time. So if you plug in 0 for this first one, it would be 0 plus 4, which gets me 4. That means when I go over 0, I'm going to go up to 4 and put a dot. So the line should cross the y-axis at the 4. Then let's put in a 3. So this would be 3 plus 4, which gives me 7. So I'm going to go to the right 3. And then I'm going to go up to 7, which is all the way at the top. And then if I connect those, it should look like that. And usually we make the line go all the way across. And you can check several other points, but those are key things to look for when you're trying to match, is check and see, did it cross the y-axis at the 4? And then plug in another point or two and see if it matches that.